have talented Jackie Bhangnani with us here in Southampton on the sets of Welcome to Karachi. Wonderful to have you back, Jackie, on board Rangama.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Faidun. It's always nice talking to you.
Same here. And first of all, I'd like to just congratulate you for the wonderful performance in Youngistan. I think people still are talking about it, and it was one of the contenders for Oscars in India. How does it feel?
It feels good. Actually, I would say it feels very, very good. Especially considering my journey so far. Right. I have a perception of getting it easy. It's not been a very easy ride for me. You know me for so long now. So finally, to reach a point where I am being, in whatever small way, being praised for my performance. Obviously, it feels good.
Right.
Yes, I'm from a film family. Yes, certain things are very difficult for me. Certain things are very easy for me. Right. But after all this bargain, or after all this nonsense, what remains maximum with an actor is उसकी काम की तारीफ होनी चाहिए.
No, absolutely, that's what matters. And Youngistan, there were some seasoned character actors, and you held your own against them. Now, I've been on the sets of Welcome to Karachi, and I was just observing a shot being taken, and how Jackie insisted कि मेरे को और पानी लगाओ, मेरे को और गंदा करो, and everything. They're having the scene on the seashore. So, would you say that that entire method acting or something is something that you're really serious about?
It's not about method acting. I am from Lee Strasberg, which is a #1 method acting school in the world. Nonetheless, I just feel that I follow method 50%. और यही है कि मतलब अगर हम लोग कराची पहुँचे हैं पानी में एक ट्यूब में तैर के, तो अंडरस्टूड है कि मतलब जो मेरे अंदर कपड़े हैं अगर आप देखेंगे वो सब मैले जीन्स हैं और मैला शर्ट है अंदर इधर सब. तो एक तो अंडरस्टूड है कि कोई भी ऑडियंस अगर फिल्म देख रहा होगा तो एक कॉमन सेंस के हिसाब से कि मतलब बाल भीगे होंगे, आधे धूप है तो आधे सूख गए होंगे, मिट्टी होगी. आई हैव डार्केंड माई सेल्फ बाई 3 शेड्स. ये मेरा ओरिजिनल कलर नहीं है, ये धूप में थोड़ा सा टैन हो गए होंगे. ये सब बेसिक कॉमन थिंग्स हैं एंड नथिंग नो रॉकेट साइंस टू. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब इससे कुछ ऑस्कर मिल जाएगा. बस यही है कि इट जस्ट एड्स टू योर कैरेक्टर. दैट्स व्हाट एक्टिंग इज ऑल अबाउट. You do things so that you can look as real as possible.
How tough was it to just get into this character that was earlier being planned for Irfan Khan?
It was very, very difficult because it's a difficult film. It's a comedy which is very situational. You actually have to be that character. It's not over the top comedy, or it's not a filmy thing. Even if it's funny, the situations are funny. The characters are very true to themselves. So in that sense, yes, it's a difficult film, but at the same time it was very easy because of Ashish and Arshad Warsi mainly. And obviously they fine-tuned the whole character, keeping me as a young guy in mind now. Obviously the film is about 2 guys who leave on a boat from India and land up in Karachi, not knowing they are in Karachi. So it could be a 10-year-old boy or it could be a 50-year-old man. But yes, keeping my age in mind, they've made it a little more fun, a little more hyper. But nonetheless, it was difficult. It took me time. I was very in the beginning, but as I said, Ashish and Arshad sir were very, very supportive.
Right. Experience of just dancing with I think extraordinary beauties in the cold Southampton on the boat song. How was that experience?
That was good. If you noticed, I think for the first time, I am not actually dancing. I am doing all stupidity.
Because you're supposed to be drunk at that.
Drunk, and also my character doesn't know how to dance in the film. So the film, I'm playing this laid-back, spoiled guy with a nice heart. So he's just spoiled, he's just, he's born in a big family और बस चल रहा है, लाइफ चल रही है और कुछ करना है लाइफ में, लेकिन मोटिवेशन है, लेकिन हुआ तो ठीक है, नहीं हुआ तो भी ठीक है. वैसा वाला हाल है इसका. जिम में हम कभी गए नहीं होंगे, कभी कुछ किया नहीं होगा, तो ऐसे आदमी को सडनली डांस आप करा नहीं सकते. कैरेक्टर नहीं कर सकता. ऐसा आई एम प्लेइंग अ कैरेक्टर.
The boat song, Roshak Kohli has composed it. You've been known to be a very fine dancer, and as you're saying that you're not really dancing in the movie, but you have a sense for the music. So something about the song, I think it has the potential of becoming quite a talked about song.
I have a gut feeling to a certain extent that this can become close to what a 4 बज गए was. 4 बज गए is something which just happened.
Right.
मतलब वो जैसे बूम 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 भी बहुत चला, so when I used to speak about boom 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 also, I used to say it has a scope of becoming 4 बज के, 4 बज के बन जाता है वो डेकेड का पार्टी सॉन्ग.
No, absolutely.
But I feel that people will like this song. It will be one of the songs which clubs में बजेगा और बहुत colloquial है, बहुत local है. ये masses में भी पसंद आएगा, classes में भी पसंद आएगा. That's why I gave 4 बज के the example.
Okay, and I believe there's a song called Shakira in the movie as well.
Yes, there's a song called Shakira which will for sure make you dance. There's another song called Just Dance by RDB.
Right.
That's also very very good song. फिर एक है भाग नहीं तो पीछे लात पड़ जाएगी.
Right.
That's also
I got it.
damn funny.
I got it.
And there is another song which is a promotional song.
Yeah.
So hopefully Arshad sir and me might dance in that song. That's also a very very good song. That's a little surprise because it's made on a lullaby.
Acha, like that. You guys might be going to Pakistan for shooting a few clips.
Yeah, they are planning that.
Plans are there.
So let's see how it goes. If we get the permissions, if the security is sorted and stuff like that.
Right.
But I'm really excited because before partition, whatever I hear from my grandparents, Sindhis, I'm a Sindhi. So we are from Karachi.
Acha, like that.
हाँ, तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ. But obviously, our grandfathers just speak about it. I have no sense of nothing of. It'll be exciting as a person to go and see where your forefathers came from before partition.
You had told us in an interview that Faltu 2 will be happening.
Yeah, we're working on that. But I think a nice story is still not been locked for that film. So the franchise is such a good franchise. Faltu is all about coming of age, and it's about an underdog film. It's about losers becoming heroes.
Right.
That's Faltu.
Right.
Yes, if in that whole bargain, if we can give a social message also, like how in Faltu 1. So nothing like it. So films like that cannot be made. कि चलो बना लेते हैं.
Absolutely.
The story and that has to be in place. Whenever that happens, hopefully there are a couple of options. Maybe next year.
Right. Something about your romantic interest in Welcome to Karachi. Who's playing your romantic?
Actually, there's no romantic interest as such in the film. The girl who's the Pakistani actress, she is playing an ISI agent. It's a one-sided, you can say lust, you can say attraction when I see her right at the beginning, but that's about it. This film is not about romance per se. It's Tom and Jerry.
So like that.
It's Tom and Jerry. Like how Tom and Jerry or Lauren and Hardy. So this is how Kedar and Shammi is. Kedar, I'm playing and Shammi, so to speak.
Right. What sort of learning experience has it been for you
on this film?
Working with someone like Arshad?
Oh, it's superb. I must say that he is one of the most underrated actors, according to me, in the film industry. I think his timing is brilliant in any emotion, not just comedy. He is solely responsible for the dialogues to be better than what they were originally, because he has that knack.
Right.
And then Ashish told me that even in Golmaal 1, Arshad sir used to sit down and help in dialogues. I remember in Faltu he did that with Remo. It's great, So and all of us sit like together in a team. Ashish, Arshad, me, and obviously I'm the one at the receiving end maximum because I'm the youngest and I'm fairly new on the film.
Right.
So they say, they discuss this, that, and it's like a family. कि अच्छा ये मैं करूँगा, ये Jackie करेगा, ऐसे करेंगे और हम scene को ऐसे उठाएंगे. And obviously now that I'm young, I can do a little more childishness than what Irfan sir would have done. And I can pass away with it because age is with me.
Right. When do we see Jackie Bhangani working in a production other than his father?
Honestly, this was
litmus test.
Yes, this.
Because I think you have the potential now in terms of as an actor. You have the potential.
Honestly, Youngistan has opened a lot of doors for me. I'm in talks with a lot of people. Fortunately or unfortunately, ये है कि we technically own one of the big production houses, top 15 or top 10 production houses in the country. तो मेरा भी यही aim है, as and dream है as an actor कि मैं अगर निकलूँ, तो not just for the sake of it. I should go and at least
like a YRF or something.
See, YRF to is YRF and all to are very big, but there are so many other production houses, and I go, I meet, I audition. There is a myth which I don't. I audition. But choosing the film which I want to do is my prerogative, and the films which I want to do, if they want me or no, is their prerogative. So I think that's the battle which I'm fighting technically. But I'm still in a much more better position than I was before Youngistan and after Youngistan.
No, absolutely.
And this film,
Youngistan 2 can happen?
For sure, can no, I want it to happen. I want it to happen because Faltu 2 can still not happen. In the sense, but Youngistan is a very topical film because हर 1-1.5 साल में 2 साल में एक ऐसा political scenario आता है where through films like technically what I was telling you, हमने e-voting की बात की हिंदुस्तान में. नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैज़ स्पोकन अबाउट दैट कि ये होना चाहिए. हम फिल्म में मैं जापान गया था, ही इज़ डन दैट. फिल्म में मैं यूएन में जाके हिंदी में बात करता हूँ, ही इज़ डन दैट. फिर हमने बताया था कि हम ऑफिशियल हाउस में नहीं रहेंगे, हम अपने घर पे रहेंगे अगर लॉ ऐसा है. अरविंद केजरीवाल डिड दैट व्हेन ही वाज द सीएम. एंड यू नो व्हाट द फनी थिंग इज़ दैट जनरली जो हमने उस टाइम भी कहा था इंटरव्यूज़ में कि जनरली रियल लाइफ इज़ इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम रियल लाइफ. Maybe it's a coincidence, but in these 5-7 scenarios, it's happened the other way around. Maybe it's a coincidence, but one thing is for sure कि हमारी फिल्म तो पहले रिलीज हुई, obviously ये तो रिकॉर्ड में.
नहीं, नायक का भी हम लोगों ने जैसे देखा था पूरा मूवी, how it just got reciprocated. So wonderful talking to you, Jackie, and very sensible Jackie Bhagnani, and who's just working hard and looking for making inroads into Bollywood in a big way. So great pleasure to have you once again, Jackie, on Bollywood.
Thank you so much for it.
And looking forward to more ventures.
Yes, thank you.
That's all from Bollywood. Keep on watching. Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.